In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Nordvpn using an activation code. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, this guide will walk you through each step of the process to ensure your VPN is up and running in no time. Firstly, you need to open your web browser and head over to my.nordaccount.com, activate. This is NordVPN's official portal for redeeming your activation code, so you can rest assured it's safe and secure. Once you're on the page, you'll see a space where you can enter your details. If you're already a NordVPN user, you'll want to go ahead and log into your account. Simply enter your email address and password associated with your NordVPN account, and you'll gain access. It's as straightforward as that. However, if you're brand new to NordVPN and haven't created an account yet, don't worry, it's really easy to get started. On the same page, you'll find an option to sign up. Click on that and fill in your details to create a Nord account using your email. Make sure to keep your login details secure for future reference. Now that we've got you logged in or signed up, it's time to move to the next step. You should have received an activation code, perhaps through an email or alongside your subscription details. This is a unique code that allows you to activate your NordVPN service. Carefully paste or type this activation code into the input box provided on the portal. Once you've entered the code, go ahead and click on the continue button. This action submits your information, allowing NordVPN to confirm your code. Take a moment to carefully check your entry to ensure the code is entered correctly, as a typo could lead to an error message. After submitting your activation code, you'll be greeted with a confirmation message indicating that your code has been accepted. This means you've successfully activated your NordVPN account. From here, you can download the NordVPN app to your preferred devices and start browsing the internet with enhanced privacy and security. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're now ready to explore all the benefits NordVPN has to offer. Remember, having a VPN is crucial for maintaining your privacy and security online. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, NordVPN's support team is always just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching today's guide on activating your NordVPN account. We hope this tutorial has helped simplify the process for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos and tips, and happy browsing with your secure connection.